That's awesome.
Holy shit.
What timing to be out here.
I know, right? I wonder what ship it is.
Oh, here it comes.
You hear it?
How fortunate.
How fucking cool, dude. Yeah, I looked over there. I was like, that's bright as fuck.
Yeah, that was super bright.
It still is. Wow, you can even hear it.
Yeah.
It's insane.
When the big shuttles used to go off, you see the water move.
Really?
Yeah, me and my dad were out one day in the water and watching one, and the ripple came across the water. It was crazy.
Dude, it's fucking insane.
Oh, it's getting loud.
Yeah, it's coming our way. Sound travels.
Oh, here it comes.
There it goes.
Let's go. And that's that. That was so cool.
Dude, that was fucking awesome.
While we're sitting here fishing and shrimping, what a treat.
Right?